Parsec's Eagle Pro Series is not only a new product, it defines a new category. The first antenna of its kind that gives outdoor roof mount performance, indoors, without the substantial cost. The Eagle is the industry's first enterprise-level, do-it-yourself fixed wireless antenna solution. Designed as a window mount solution, eliminating landlord permissions and costly truck rolls. By mounting the router directly to the antenna, long cable runs aren't needed, preserving signal strength. Constant connectivity is no longer a want, it's a need for corporate America. The performance of Parsec's Eagle high-gain antenna, paired with Ericsson's W1850 low and mid-band adapter, gives enterprise customers the primary or failover connectivity solution they require for business continuity. Enterprise-level customers looking for reliable, high-performance rooftop strength communications with ease of installation without gaining right-of-way permissions have their solution. The Eagle Pro Series in a class of its own. Available now. Contact your local Parsec sales for details.